Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw the circumscribing cycle of a triangle. To draw a thin horizontal line, you have to use your T-square to support your ruler this way. Then you can now draw the horizontal line to the required length. You can label the line. Now, to complete your triangle, you have to use your compass to take the length of the left side of your triangle, that is the AC side of the triangle. Then you have to place your compass on point A. Then you have to cut an arc. The radius of the arc you cut depends on the required length of side AC of your triangle. Now you have to take the length of your BC side of your triangle. Then you have to place your compass on point B. You have to cut an arc to intersect the previous arc you cut. Label the point where the arcs intersect. Now draw a line joining point A and point C. Also draw a line joining point B and point C. Triangle ABC has been drawn successfully. After drawing the triangle, now to draw its circumscribing cycle, bisect any two sides of the triangle and bisecting side AC and AB. Now produce the bisectors to intersect at a point. Label the point where the bisectors intersect O. Now place your compass on point O. That is the point where the bisectors intersect. Then you can now produce your circumscribing cycle. Ensure that your cycle passes through the three corners of your triangle. If your construction is accurate, your cycle will just pass through the three corners of your triangle. The circumscribing cycle of triangle ABC has been drawn successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.